everybody, welcome back. It's Monty, it's Shadle Park, it's geometry, and here we are wrapping up another week. Wow, we're so similar, right? This whole idea of scale factor. Well, we're actually getting ready for the review for our final, okay? Module 3, Topic 1, this whole idea of similarity. We're just wrapping it up. But before we do that, let's make sure we honor all those people that went over and above and did every problem this week. A lot of work, and we want to honor those people that went over and above. So let's get started. In period 3, folks that tried every problem this week: Anthony Gomez, Karina Granados, Jocelyn Ives, Addison Yan, Rita Kurganova, Tristan Larson, Jade Lipscomb, Dylan Munger, Catherine Nazarchuk, J.E. Stahl, Christian Walters, Kim Weekly, and Damian Wickman. In period 4, folks that tried every problem this week: Rosalina Bani, Evan Cavell, Elliot Collins, Josie Horry, Kylie Jensen, Mercedes Nichols, Molly Pickard, Delilah Rivera, and Celeste Wink. In period 5, Desiree Ballou, Jackson Berkey, Hunter Greenstone, Ellie Petty, Matthew Shuck, Daisy Stegman, Cassidy Sullivan, Gabby Warnock, and Tyler Wyant. We want to thank every one of those students for trying every problem this week in geometry. Thank you. Okay, so now, this idea of review. What are we going to review? Everything that we've studied since the semester started. So, the first thing we did was start out with scale factor, right? What do we multiply by? Remember, we did the world map, and on that world map problem, we actually discovered 3 places on the planet, and that the world map in our classroom was every inch was 500 miles. And we did that the long way. Then we went to proportions, whether it was a line proportion or if we bisected a triangle. Remember that? Okay, so proportions, scale factors, and then we really got up into these triangles. And the reason we focused so long on triangles is because we could do some real world problems. Remember those? Those real world problems, like in the classroom when we put the mirror on the floor and we actually discovered how high the ceiling was in our classroom. Using a mirror, we could find how tall Shadle Park was on the 3rd floor. Okay? And then we actually had an example of a triangle in a triangle problem where we were able to use similar scale factors, dilations, so that we can calculate the height of the Shadle Park water tower. Okay, so all that's fair game on the test. And then the last thing that we've been working on here, this idea of the geometric mean. Similar triangles. If we draw an altitude, right, we drop a line straight down, we can actually calculate how tall things are with similar triangles. The small triangle, the medium triangle, and this large triangle, where we spend time trying to make sure that we really are good at corresponding parts. So, 3 weeks of work, whole bunch of math, and, in my opinion, some fun ideas using mirrors and scale factor. So, have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday in the classroom when we get that review sheet so that we can make sure that we're ready for the final on similarity. Okay? Have a great weekend.